In daily life, sometimes we see mentally disturbed people talking to themselves. Nowadays, with the prevalence of mobile phones, this phenomenon has become harder to notice because many people wear headphones and talk to their phones. Therefore, genuine self-talk patients blend in with people making phone calls. However, self-talk disorders still exist because each of us is a self-talk patient. Most people can simply control their mouths and not verbalize their inner dialogue. The entity constantly chattering in our ears is our ego. The ego's talk is usually negative. When we lose our self-awareness, believe in the ego, and get brainwashed by it, depression can form. In severe cases, the ego might tell us that this painful life is not worth continuing and that ending it would be better. For instance, some recent high-profile suicides, such as those of Coco Lee and Leslie Chung, might be related to depression. Recently, with the economic downturn and increased societal pressure, many people have developed depression. Even some popular internet celebrities are not immune, attempting to alleviate their emotions through smoking, only to be dissuaded by their fathers. Smoking and alcohol can lead to addiction, which is difficult to quit once started. In this context, magic mushrooms are considered a safe antidote. Magic mushrooms contain psilocybin, similar to serotonin, which can block the ego's self-talk when it enters the brain, achieving a state of clarity similar to that of a meditating monk. This brings the subconscious to the forefront, allowing people to see the depths of their hearts clearly. According to the observer effect in quantum mechanics, observation brings change. If you can see and face your inner fears with the help of magic mushrooms, you will find relief and your depression may alleviate and even be cured. In fact, the Maya and other civilizations discovered the medicinal value of magic mushrooms thousands of years ago, using them to communicate with the gods and solve life's problems and troubles. However, in modern society, due to the intervention of capital, large quantities of tobacco, alcohol, and antidepressant drugs have been produced. To harvest the public's wealth, capitalist forces demonize traditional herbal mushroom therapy, listing them as banned substances and preventing people from trying them. As a socialist country, we should serve the working people and consider their interests rather than aligning with capitalist practices. Therefore, our country should resume research on traditional herbs, including magic mushrooms, to reduce medical expenses, alleviate the healthcare burden, and provide people with more disposable income, thereby boosting our economic growth. This approach would not only improve the health of our citizens, but also achieve economic and social benefits.